হেল্ল' এণ্ড ৱেলকাম এভৰি ওৱান। চ' লাষ্ট ভিডিঅ'টোৰ পৰা আমি এটা নতুন ছিৰিজ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিলোঁ য'ত আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়েৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখিনি ডিছকাছ কৰি আছিলোঁ। চ' লাষ্ট ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি 2018 আৰু 16ৰ কুৱেশ্যনখিনি ডিছকাছ কৰিছিলোঁ। চ' এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি 2015ৰ গোটেই কুৱেশ্যনখিনি ডিছকাছ কৰিম। চ' আমাৰ চেনেলটোত ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিকেল কৰ্চ এটা চলি আছে, তাৰ লগে লগে আমি মক টেষ্ট ডিছকাছ কৰি আছোঁ ফৰ ইচ চেপ্টাৰ। দেন আমাৰ অলৰেডি পলিটিৰ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়েৰ কুৱেশ্যনখিনি ডিছকাছ কৰা শেষ হৈ গৈছিল আৰু এতিয়া আমি ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছোঁ ইণ্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়েৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ ডিছকাছ কৰা। আৰু আপকামিং ভিডিঅ' লেকচাৰ এটা আমাৰ ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব য'ত আমি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট MCQ ডিছকাছ কৰিম অন আছাম। চ' আই ৰিকুৱেষ্ট ইউ টু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব আৱাৰ চেনেল এণ্ড গিভ ইউৰ ভেলুৱেবল ফিডবেকছ। চ' লেটছ চি। চ' উই হেভ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন এজ দ্য চিভিল ডিছঅবিডিয়েঞ্চ মুভমেণ্ট led to signing of a pact in 1931. The pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Lord Curzon, Lord Wellington, Lord Irwin or Lord Mountbatten. So last video to আমি গান্ধী আৰউইন পেক্টৰ বিষয়ে ডিসকাস কৰিছিলৱে. So the correct option will be Lord Irwin. So it was signed after the first roundtable conference, after which Indian National Congress decided to participate in the second roundtable conference. So next we have the Red Fort was built by Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan or Sher Shah. So the correct option will be Shah Jahan. So the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on 15th of August, that is on the Independence Day, in the Red Fort. So we all know this. Then we have which one of the following began with the Dandi March? Options are Home Rule Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Quit India Movement or Civil Disobedience Movement. So civil disobedience movement was started when Mahatma Gandhi broke the salt law in Dandi. So next we have who put an end to the system of dual government in Bengal? Lord Clive, Warren Hastings, Lord Bentinck or Lord Irwin? So the correct option will be Lord Warren Hastings. Then we have the East India Company was established on 31st of December in the year 1600 as per the royal charter issued by the Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth I, Henry VII or British Parliament. So East India Company was granted the royal charter by Queen Elizabeth I, by which they got the exclusive right to trade in India. Exclusive right mane hol no other company from Britain was allowed to trade in India. So it was the only monopoly of East India Company. Then we have by which act was the governance of India passed to the British Crown? So options are Rowlatt Act of 1919, Dominion Lands Act 1872, Government of India Act 1858 or Official Secrets Act of 1923. So we have already discussed it that after the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857, the governance of India was passed to the British Crown by the Act Government of India Act of 1858. So C will be the correct answer. So moving to the next question. Who among the following kings was credited with establishing the equivalent of a modern postal delivery system in India? Options are Humayun, Ashoka, Kuli Qutub Shah or Sher Shah Suri. So the correct option will be Sher Shah Suri. Next, when was the Indian National Congress formed? January 1885, April 1885, July 1885 or December 1885. So Indian National Congress was formed in December 1885 with the initiative of Allen Octavian Hume. He was a British civil servant and the founding president of Indian National Congress was Umesh Chandra Banerjee. So moving to the next question. Which of the following institutions was not founded by Mahatma Gandhi? Options are Sabarmati Ashram, Sevagram Ashram, Vishwa Bharati or Phoenix Ashram. So Vishwa Bharati is the correct answer because it was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Then we have Swaraj as a national demand was first made by who among the following? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Jawaharlal Nehru or Chittaranjan Das. So the correct option will be Dadabhai Naoroji. He made Swaraj as a national demand during the Congress session held in Calcutta in 1906. So then we have the first movement launched against the British in India was Swadeshi movement, Khilafat movement, Quit India movement or Non-Cooperation movement. So the correct option will be Swadeshi movement. So this movement was started when decided to divide the Bengal presidency. Then we have Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Options are Lord Irwin, Lord Chelmsford, Lord Hergen, or Lord Curzon. So we have already discussed it. So Lord Chelmsford is the correct answer. So Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919 during the tenure of Lord Chelmsford. Then we have, in which of the following Vande Mataram was adopted as a slogan for agitation? Quit India movement of 1942, non-cooperation movement of 1922, partition of Bengal in 1905, or revolt of 1857. So Vande Mataram gained popularity and it was widely used in partition of Bengal in 1905. So C is the correct answer. So at this we come to the end of this video. আমি next video to 2014 or question খিনি ভালকে discuss কৰিম. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more videos. আৰু আপোনালোকে feedback দিব ভিডিঅ' বিলাকৰ যাতে আমি so that we can get better and we can make more videos. So thank you.